So no normal person can receive this letter now. Wait, madam, wait.
This company itself, I don't tire. If I'm up today, tomorrow you go see dust. Don't be like say they use dust. They use that one swear for them. I don't tire. Hey, who they knock? Now somebody go they knock like that. To wait till you consign me. Baba, security sonu. He don't work ago. And if we talk now, they go say we they talk too much. Who even consign me? So why can't you just knock small? Now I won't break this gate. Security sonu. I have work ago. What's your name? Who is there? Break am. No, who they knock? See me na go use na common sense knock. Who is that? Hey. So now you want break our gate down?
What are you saying? I'll be here past 1 hour knocking. Don't have security here. I'll be knocking past 1 hour.
And so? See now you go be the first to need Duroni. Yes! When you are knocking and nobody answer you, why can't you go and come back later?
See, what I'm here for is very, very vital to your complaint.
Very fatal, Kini. Kilo come pẹ̀lú fatal.
Madam, this crucial letter needs to be delivered to your office today. Which means your boss have to sign it today.
Miss Crucia, see, nobody have resumed in this morning. It's only me and security son. I've come to this company today. So what you are saying, I don't. And the security son are free law.
Yes. So no normal person can receive this letter now. Wait, madam, wait.
What is all this thing now? Mrs. Crucia, respect yourself. I mean, what was all this early this morning because of simple letter?
Don't worry, I'll give you the letter.
Maybe you come and wait for the right person to come.
Madam, you help me to sign here.
Signature. Okay.
Put your signature here.
Yes. Oh no. Sending sweet with here.
Make sure the letter gets to the right person, please. Say several.
My chief. Chief. And I will be able to win the 20 million contract. Really? That is a great thing to start the new year. God bless you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks so much. I'm so happy. Immediately I drop this call, I am going to sign it and send to your email. I am so happy. My chief, regards to madam. God bless you. Thank you. Cheers, my chief. Wow! PA. Sir, you called me, sir. A letter came into my office this morning. Instead of you to put it on my table, because that is your work, you decided to chop it. Oh, yeah. Sorry, sir. Actually, there's a letter from Bimpe.
She what?
Yes. Can I go and get... Shut up! Are you mad? Who is Bimpe? Who asks of Bimpe? I'm asking of you. Where is the letter sent to me from Chief? Huh? Does it include Bimpe? Why Bimpe? No. Why are you calling Bimpe? I'm very sure you're tired of this work. No. Your work now is like you have seen another job in filling station. Call me secretary. Call me secretary. Right away. Big people about people. That's nonsense. Secretary, there is a letter that entered this company today. Go and bring it for me. ASAP. Sir.
Yes?
No letter passed through my table at all. No letter like this passed through my table. Do you guys still need this work? No. Are you guys playing now? A contract that was a very huge amount of naira. Hey, where is the letter? I need to sign that here and forward to Chief. Now. You guys are playing with fire because you say?
A fairly wordy.
I believe he sent the letter. Yes, he has sent the letter to the office. Have you changed office of recent? Have you changed the address? Hey, everybody, all of us. You guys are playing with fire. Fire. Why is everybody shouting? Oga, how dare you enter my office like that? And who called this plumegulous flagellus? So sorry, sir. Hemobino. I will just go straight to the point. Now, one crucial letter was sent to this office this morning.
Madam, This crucial letter needs to be delivered to your office today.
So those two fools that are standing here are telling me they couldn't find the letter. Ha! I see am o. The person wey bring her this morning, na so in the south, crucia. Hey? And na only me dey. Na only me come dey. Security or PA, secretary, they are nowhere to be found. One thing in law, the man come later come say, in dey look for oga, come give me one crucial letter. I mean, I collect am say, me I go finally come and give you. Afusa, it's like you already have the letter. Kindly give it to me. Then later, we'll talk about the remaining ones. Hey, those fools, just give the letter to me. It is very precious to my life. Oga, they calm down. The letter there with me. You don't need to stress yourself. In fact, I want you to sack the secretary and put me for the secretary position because it will dey lab slow me. Don't worry, Oga. His letter is with me. I keep it somewhere. It's like the letter. Oga, see I tell you say I go see the letter. Oga.
Jesus! Oh no,
Ta-da! This is the letter that worth 20 million contract that is already soaked inside the water. Yeah! I will kill somebody today. He's like,